Create a solid adjustment color layer, and this is the color code. Now take Type tool and type your text. I am using this font, link in description. Open your image and place it to top. Decrease opacity and place it perfectly. Again, increase opacity. Create one more copy. Select this, right-click and clipping mask. Select this, go to Select, Subject, and Mask. Select Text Layer and go to Blending option. Stroke, follow this settings. Inner shadow, follow this settings. Drop shadow, follow this settings. Select mask, pick brush. Create a hard round brush. Right-click on the text layer and choose Select Pixels. Go to Select, Inverse. Remove unnecessary area. Now, create a new layer in this position. Take Brush tool and create a soft round brush. Follow this process. Open text group. This is the final result. Thanks for watching.